What's going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here. Just got to the river. It's probably about 11:30 or so, and we're going to be doing some kayak river fishing, and we're going to be targeting smallmouth bass, maybe some largemouth, and whatever else will bite. We're going to be fishing out of the Slayer Propel 10, and probably going to be throwing mostly the Ned rig, but we'll see. But yeah, stay with me. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna throw it over here. First cast. Hopefully I don't get into those branches. Skip it. See that skip, man? Did you see that skip? Uh-oh. There we go, baby. First fish on, second cast. Oh, and I lost him. Son of a gun, I lost him. He wasn't huge. He was not huge, but still, a fish is a fish is a fish is a fish. It's a good sign though, man. Second cast, got a bite. So it's still early spring. It's about mid-April right now. Water temps are still fairly cold, but the feed bag is on, man. Everything's getting munched up now, getting ready for spawn. So I think we're gonna have a good day. I went fished a pond about a week ago and just crushed huge tank smallmouth. So I'm hoping we'll get into some smallies today on the river. We had a really warm spell last week, abnormally warm, 70s, 80s. And temperature dropped last night. We got some rain last night. I think we got about a high of 52 today. It's probably about 50-ish right now. But I think we're going to be good to go, man. We're going to get into some fish today, I hope. Don't know unless you go. Oh, there we go. We got something. We got something. Getting that out. Bring you over here, buddy. It's nothing huge, but first fish. I'll take it. Can't get him to the side of the boat though. Does not want to come to the side of the boat. Got ourselves a largemouth. Not a huge largie, but not too shabby. Those that know me know I will take it all. Little guy, I don't know, maybe 14 inches. Pretty. Got a tug on the end of my line. There you go, brother. Nice. Second bite, first fish. You don't make any ground in this stuff. Barely. It's moving. It's moving. There we go. We got one. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a smallie. Bet money on it. I would bet money on it. Get into the boat, brother. I'm gonna have to back up a little bit, so oh yeah, definitely a smallie. Definitely a smallie, decent sized smallie. Just gotta get him to the boat. We barely got him in the top lift, got him in the net. Yes. He's not super long, man, but he's a fatty. She or he is a fatty. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Gorgeous looking smallmouth, man. Gorgeous looking smallie. Beautiful. go, my friends. Got on the board with a smallmouth. Second fish on. Sweet. That's what we're targeting today. Smallmouth bass, and we got one finally. I've only been out here maybe a half hour, so it's not bad. There we go. Oh yeah. Another smallmouth. This one, I think, definitely bigger than the last. I think we got him pinned good. We're clear of the trees. And he's digging. He is digging. River Smallies, man. Holy cow, he's a good size. Small jaws. For sure. We just got to get him in the boat, baby. Yeah, oh yeah, he's a good... Look at that, right into the net. Right into the net. A little slack on that line. Oh yeah, we got him pinned good. We got him pinned good. He wasn't going anywhere. Oh, look at that, right all the way through right there. He wasn't going anywhere. There we go, beautiful smallmouth right there. Gorgeous. Gorgeous smallie, gorgeous smallie. Beautiful. We're gonna get a quick weight on this guy, just out of curiosity. Okay, 3 pounds, 5 ounces. £3, 5 ounces this bad boy is. Nice, beautiful river smallmouth bass right there. Gorgeous. So yeah, these two smallies, that was the bigger of the two, obviously. The other one had a beautiful football shape to it though, but not as big as the smallmouth I was catching last week, a week and a half ago, and on the big pond I was fishing. But still, that second one, 3 pounds 5 ounces, still a nice smallmouth. Very nice. They fight like crazy, especially in the river here. Got the current, and they're just such strong swimmers. So yeah, let's keep going. We've only been out here maybe 45 minutes, so got 3 fish on the board. It's a beautiful day. It's not too hot, not too cold. Got a little bit of wind, but not bad. Current's running pretty good, but nothing we can't handle with the old pedal drive here. So it's Charlie Mike. Charlie Mike. There we go, another one in the same spot. Largemouth? Yep, we got a largie. Same spot where we caught. Okay, buddy. Splashing me all up. Man, I am putting this thing right through their lips. Right through their lips. There we go. Little guy, little smallmouth or largemouth. There we go. Oh yeah. Another smallie out of this little honey hole right here. Oh, I spit it. Son of a gun. I think it was largemouth. Oh yeah, we got one. We got one. Little guy. Oh, we got one. Probably a Largie, I bet you. Kind of took me by surprise. It's not a bad size, really. Yeah, not a bad size. Small mouth, not a large mouth. There we go. Smallie number 3. I'll take him. Beautiful. Okay. Went for a little bit there without a bite. Finally got one. There we go. Oh man, don't lose them, dude. Ah, he's jumping like crazy. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Another beautiful smallmouth. They're not super huge, but they're, man, this guy's got some fight in him. Holy cow, calm down, dude. There we go. Another beautiful smallie. I don't know, these guys are probably 16 inches, maybe 2-pounders. Beautiful. Not super huge monsters, but still put up a fight, man. Okay, Dokie, he messed up my whatchamacallit pretty good. All right, folks, it's pushing 3 o'clock, and I just felt the raindrop, so I'm gonna call it. Not a bad little afternoon session. I think we were out here for about 3+ hours. Ended the day with 4 or 5 smallies, 1 or 2 largemouth, and we missed 2 nice fish. So again, a nice little afternoon out here doing some early spring fishing. But as always, take care, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.